Good girl. Ring the bell.
So we want to make them all normal patriots, no? In some way, no? So the feeling was this was a celebration of
Good girl.
culture. Yes, yeah. An enormous classist attack came from the middle class journalists who had no idea. It's taken longer than World War II. But their detractors are not about to change their minds. Gilbert and George have taken me to their favourite breakfast cafe, where the conversation turns to familiar criticisms and the settling of old scores.
Why have they now been put inside classrooms?
Yes, that's right.
H.
Is it?
Good girl. Go on, put it on. Get ready.
Who are they?
Well, the bird is Kenny Marks, pastry stunner. And he's Denny Clasey, first division footballer.
You're kidding.
Fetch.
I can recognise him out of focus.
Come on.
Denny Clasey had his debut at Leeds United in the Remnant's 85 side. Then he was transferred in 86 to Chelsea. He picked up the nickname Psycho because he was a dirty fouling bastard.
Yeah, and he deserved that injury and all. Ruptured his cruciate ligament, never played again.
Where is he now?
No idea.
Okay, so that's the information I actually needed, not the Alan Hansen impression.
The lads have finished looking at the forensic evidence. No fingerprints, but they have got a DNA sample.
Can you match on the database?
No, but we're only looking for a bloke because the sample they found came from semen.
Good girl.
On most of the items.
Semen? Where did that come from?
Blimey, Sandra, I know it's been a while, but even you...
Shut up! I know you